Hello students. So today I'm going to discuss the last part in business plan, that is the marketing plan. As we have discussed the other parts, similar to that, in marketing plan also we need to write certain important points. Okay. Now marketing plan is again a very important component because whatever we write in marketing plan is based on the research and it will tell you that how we are going to generate the revenue. Okay, like financial plan gives you an idea about the funds requirement, the sources of funds from where you will get generated, and how your revenue and profit you are projecting. Okay, so that was in financial plan. Then we have discussed the human resource plan, which means which was focusing on the number of people required, the type of people required, and how you are going to procure them. Now in marketing, again three things we have to focus on. First is the products and services distribution. Okay, that means it describes, the marketing plan describes that how the products and services will be distributed or sold in the market. We all know that production is conducted or production is done at a particular place, but goods and services are sold in different places throughout the country or across the country, and different places they are sent. So how these products and services will be distributed, then how it will be priced. The pricing also we have to take care of, that how we are going to fix the prices, because all the cost is to be included and the pricing is to be based on, there are many factors actually, the competitor's price, then your cost, then what is the quality of your product. You can charge more price as compared to whatever is going on in the market, but then your quality should be good. So pricing is dependent on that. Then third is promoted. How you are going to promote your product. So these are the three things which will be described in your marketing plan. So marketing plan describes how the product and services will be distributed, priced and promoted. So there are various ways of promotion of the product. Like products can be promoted through advertisement, through personal selling, door-to-door selling, or by giving offers like buy one get one. There are many techniques of doing this. Then we have public relation also. So there are so many, there are different ways in which products can be promoted. So how the new venture is going to distribute the goods, price the product, and then how they are going to promote their new product will be written in the marketing plan. Next is, what are the basic questions which is answered here. First is, where have we been? Where have we been means the history of the marketplace. You need to write here the history of the marketplace, then the strength, opportunities, then weaknesses of the market. Okay, that means where you are going to sell your product, what is the history of that market, what type of product is actually consumed by the people, purchased by the people, then what are the strength, weakness, opportunity, threat of the market, that we need to know here in the first question. Second question is, where do we want to go? Where do you want to go means at least 12 months goals or objectives of the company is to be written here. Next 12 months, where do you want to go? That means what are your goals or objectives for the next 1 year? That is to be written here. Then last one is, how do we get there? That means your marketing strategies. Okay, and then who will be responsible for monitoring the activity? What is your plans and policies? Then who is responsible for implementation of those plans and policies? And when and how you are going to do this is to be answered in the third question, which is how do we get there. So these are the three basic questions which we need to answer. First one is, where have we been? That means the history of the market. Where do we want to go? That means your goals and your policy, your goals and your objective for the next 1 year. And then how do we get there? That means your plans and strategies, then who is going to implement, how it will be implemented, when it will be implemented. These are the questions which we need to answer here. Now the next is steps in preparing a marketing plan. There are 6 steps in preparation of marketing plan. First is the business situation analysis. This starts with the first question, where have we been? That means here, if the business or the entrepreneur is having any experience, he has to write that experience here. Or if it is a new venture, then you have to write the personal profile of the entrepreneur, the emphasis on product development, then what needs the business is going to satisfy, and any other experience if the entrepreneur is having. So that we have to write in business situation analysis. Second is identifying the target market. Target market means you have to divide the market into smaller groups, like on the basis of customer characteristics or buying situations. Then these segments, you have to first categorize the market, then from that category you have to select your target market, and then marketing plan should be developed accordingly. Next is conduct SWOT analysis. SWOT, as we already know, it is strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. So the business or the entrepreneur has to conduct a SWOT analysis to understand the venture's strength and weakness and the opportunity and threat in the market. After that, next is establish goal. Now this gives the answer to where do we want to go. As we have seen earlier, 1 year projection should be done. Here we have to set our goals. Now the goals should be realistic, attainable, very well defined. Okay, it should be very realistic, which is capable of being attained, and it should be quantitative in you have to write it in quantitative terms, so that it will be easier to measure your performance and to implement control there. Then standard setting should always be for a particular period of time. Okay, so these are done in establishing goals. Next is define marketing strategy. Now based on this, the third question is answered, how do we get there? That means you have to plan your strategy accordingly. Here the 4 P's which we have seen in marketing, that is product, price, place and promotion. The 4P is focused. I said product, price, place and promotion. For all these we have to make our plans and policy strategies here. Now last one is implementation and monitoring. Planning is very important, but we have to implement it. Okay, so only we are planned, we have made the strategies, done the analysis, target market and all, will not satisfy the goal. Okay, we will not be only doing this is not sufficient to attain our objective or to achieve our goals. The main thing is how we are going to implement these strategies and how we are going to achieve the goals. So implementation and then monitoring whether we are working in that direction which is required is monitoring of the plan. So implementation and monitoring is also a very important part here. So these are the steps in preparation of marketing plan. So major portion of business plan we have covered. Last is assessment of risk. You all know risk is there in business, so we have to assess in advance if there is any probable risk in the business, and for these potential hazards we have to identify, and then we have to make provision for that. We have to develop alternative strategies to either minimize the risk or to respond, how we are going to respond to that risk. So that is assessment of risk. And last one is appendix part in business plan, which contains any document which is not mentioned earlier in any of the component, then that will be written in the appendix part. So with this we complete the business plan chapter.